When you control your thought, you control your mind. When you control your mind, you control your life. Once you achieve, once you reach the all stage of being control of your life, you achieve the divine of the success in your life. You became the creator of your own destiny. My dear friend, today I am coming with some powerful motivational topic where I have to speak and give the idea that motivational and that powerful wisdom is that discipline help more than just being the motivated. Discipline is the more than motivated. Motivated and discipline should be part in our life, but the role of discipline is the limited. Role of motivational is the limited. Motivational is help to kick start of the anything, and it is the temporary relief. It is the temporary pleasures. It is like the catalyst. But if you really want to succeed in your life, then you have to adopt. You have to develop disciplines with the help of your inspired life. Inspiration, it should be come from your understanding of your life. What you have to do, if you understand, it is a very simple language. You have to understand your life, and the inspiration should be come from your understanding of the life. So my dear friend, just we have to discuss about the discipline. Discipline is the built by the consistency performing a small act of the courage and willpowers. A small amount of courage and willpower. It is the more helpful to build your self-mastery. See, momentum is the secret ingredient to building the self-discipline. Momentum is that you start to believing in the small amount of the courage, and this small courage is give the some momentum which is the ingredient, secret ingredient of the self discipline. This small momentum give you small victory, and this small victory will give the large victory in your life. So my dear friend, second point is that I would like to discuss that the more you nurture the embryo of self-discipline, the more it will mature. Embryo, it means that like the early development of the anything. If you more nurture the embryo of self-discipline, it means that if you practice daily of your building your self mastery, self disciplines through the courage, a small amount of willpowers, that it will be more mature. We need more maturity in our life of do anything to build the discipline. It need mature. It is only through that if you take care of your embryo of the self discipline, you take care, so it will be help to mature. So the self discipline, it is very important, and it is the coming through the willpower, and willpower is essential virtue of the fully actualization of our life. Let me understand about the techniques. How can you build your self disciplines? There are the 2-3 techniques. One is that mantra, creating envisioning. See, mantra is like the affirmation of what? Your statement, what you want in your life. It is the word of your statement, like the plans, target setting your goals. What is so much powerful, much influencer? It is the vital powers, and you have to understand that In the ancient times, the monk used to practice through the mantra what they want to achieve a success in their spiritual life. Through the affirmation, through the mantra, they used to all times, evening, morning and night, they are giving the means power, they are giving the internal powers through which help to build the self-confidence. The word of kindness, if you transfer this in your mind, you become the kindest person. The word of good thought, the word of the wisdom, if you transfer in your mind, you become the wise person. The word of the poverty, if you pass through your mind, you become the poverty. What you want, what you think, if you act, you achieve. Think, act and achieve. This is the principle of our life. So my dear friend, we have to understand this one. Second technique is that vow of silence. Vow of silence, this is again ancient practice which many monks used to do in their life. For some days, 1 day, 2 days, they do not speak any single word. See, try to understand the science of being the vow of silence. That the person who is so talkative, they control their self, that they have not to speak in any single word in particular day. So it is giving the some means strengthen, which is help to the build the confidence, build the discipline. And second science is that if they will not speak any single word in the 1 day, it means that they will communicate it through their body language, through gesture, through the facial expressions. It is also art. If you communicated what you want, what you want to your other person through your body language, it is the art. We have to learn this art. So vow of silence, it is also very helpful. So my dear friend, vow of silence and mantra, creating envisioning like the affirmations, it is the good techniques we have to adopt in our practical life also. And because if you do it in this way, it is the helping to the self mastery. And self mastery, it comes from only through the self discipline. And self mastery is the DNA of the life mastery. And we have to achieve this mastery, life mastery, which come through the self mastery, which come from through the self discipline. So self discipline and life mastery, it is the correlated, and it is the DNA of the life mastery. So we have to understand what we discuss, and we should apply these things, and it is very helpful to achieve all things what you deserve, what you dream in your life. Thank you very much. When you control your thought, you control your mind.